friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to upload featured image or cover image in a blog post on WordPress website. It is super easy. As you can see, I'm into my WordPress admin dashboard, and here in the left side we have an option of post, and here we can create a new add post. So I have clicked on add post. I hope you also are creating a new post and you are confused how to add cover image in your blog post, right? So I'm creating a new post over here, and here you can see in the right side you will have two options, post and blog, right? If it is not appearing, then you can go to the settings icon over here present in the top right corner, right? You can click on that settings icon, and then automatically this tray would appear in front of you in the right column, right? And here there is two options, one is of post and another is of blog, right? You just need to go to the post option, and here there is an button of set featured image, right? You just need to click on this set featured image, and you can simply upload the image from your system which you want to keep it as a featured image or cover image in your blog post. Now I will tell you a SEO tip also. While uploading an image as a featured image or cover image, make sure to rename that particular image in this system. As you can see, I will visit to my file explorer of my computer, and here you can see that I have renamed few of the images, right? And the benefit of renaming an image is that it would automatically show the image title whenever you upload that particular image in your WordPress post, right? And for search engines like Google, Yahoo, Ask and Bing or DuckDuckGo, it is much easier to find your web page for the related search query, as that particular web page have those images with the same keyword as renamed, right? As the image title, right? So automatically the Google search engine can find your page faster because you have uploaded the images with having same keywords that users are searching for in your niche, right? So automatically your page would rank higher in search engine result page. So as you can see, you can simply click on upload files, select files, and then select the file from your file explorer wherever you have stored in your system, and then click on open, and your image will get uploaded in the media library, right? And after you select that particular image which you want to keep as a cover image, you can see the same title is showing over here, the same image title is showing over here which you have renamed in your system, right? Now you can simply enter the alt text related to this image. So I'm just copying the image title and pasting it into the alt text, right? We should mention the alt text because again it gives a good indication to search engine that you are taking care of users, right? Like blind people used to use the internet using screen readers, right? And whenever you upload an image, and with that particular image if have alt text, then those screen readers will read out what that image is related to, and those blind people will get help out, right? Apart from that, if anybody is using your website and have low internet connectivity, then your images would be showcased as broken in front of those users. In that case, if you have entered alt text while uploading your image on that web page, then automatically under the image broken image there would be alt text displayed, right? So the user will get an idea of the image, like what image relates to or what is the context of that image. So you have entered the alt text, and now you will click on set featured image. And as you can see, the featured image or cover image has been uploaded to the blog post on WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.